A very good evening to everyone. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you in this extremely important session at the one and only SSC exams in English medium. Okay, now my dear students, see, the SSC CHSL notification is all set to be live on 6th of December. Yes, you have heard it correct. On 6th of December, okay, on 6th of December 2022, the SSC CHSL notification will be out. Should we start talking about it after the release of notification? Should we discuss the strategy and approach to crack the SSC CHSL after the notification is released? The answer is a big no. Because the sooner we start, the better we are placed. You all have often heard about the thing that if we fail to plan, we plan to fail. I repeat, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And that is the single most important thing that you need to keep in mind. Okay. So my dear students, so for preparation, you should know, see, in any war, in ancient times, like Battle of Buxar, Battle of Panipat, whenever the wars happened, the head of army of both the opposite parties, they used to analyze the strength and weaknesses of the opposite parties, on what we should fight, on what the planning should be there. So similarly, I will give you a level playing field today. So on my analysis of the last 5 years, as per my analysis of the last 5 years of the reasoning section in SSC CHSL exam, I repeat, SSC CHSL exam, last 5 years analysis, the trends, the patterns, the types of questions, the level of questions, all in all, I will be giving you right now. So without any further delay, let us start. See, my dear students, SSC CHSL last 5-year trend. Obviously, I'm a reasoning teacher, so I will be talking about my subject, reasoning. My dear students, have a look at this. So if I talk about this, what is happening? Alphabet series, its weightage is 0 to 3 questions. In some exams, 0 question was asked, in some 1, in some 2, in some 3. And that is why I always say in the class that the weightage of alphabet test is up to 3. You can check. Then analogy means similarity or correspondence. Okay, its weightage is 3 to 4 questions. Now this analogy can be in the form of letters, numbers, their combination, or even in the form of figures. The next thing is arithmetical reasoning of the form of basic calculation based on ratios or averages. Okay, formation of equations, the basic arithmetical question, in some exams 0, in some 1, or in some 2. Blood relation, okay, has shown a declining trend, 0 to 1 questions. Okay, and that one question is generally of pointing towards some one type, or coded type was also seen in the last exam. Then, my dear students, coded equations. What do we mean by coded equations? Similarly, the coded equation means the equations like if A is denoting plus, B is denoting minus, C is denoting multiply, D is denoting divide, and then find the value of 24A, 56B, 63C, and then so on. So I hope you are getting such questions like 24A 5, B 16, C 42, D 8. So A, B, C, D, and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these kind of questions where A denotes addition, B multiplication, and so on. These kind of questions. So these kind of questions have been seen 0, 1, or 2. So the weightage is up to 2. If you talk about the topic coding, decoding, that has been seen frequently. 1 to 2 questions. 1 to 2 questions. Dictionary order, arrangement of words in dictionary order in alphabetical order. Okay, in some exams 0, in some exams 1, but not more than 1. The questions based on direction in similar with blood relation has shown a declining trend. In some 0, in some 1. Matrix coding, where matrix is given and we have to find the code of any word like beautiful or ugly or anything. Okay, 0 to 1 question. Then arrangement of words in a meaningful order like triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and so on, as per increasing order of the number of sides. So that kind of question, meaningful order, 0 to 1 questions. Then number series. Now number series can be missing number series, it can be wrong number series, 1 to 2 questions. Odd one out. Odd one out can be of the form of numbers, letters, their combination, or even figure based odd one out. 0 to 3 questions. Syllogism, 0 to 1 question. Venn diagram, 0 to 1 question. Paper cutting and folding, 0 to 1 question. Embedded figures, 0 to 1 question. Mirror image slash water image. Mirror image slash water image, 0 to 1 question. Counting of figures like triangle counting, square counting, okay, again 0 to 1 question. Cubes and dice, with focus more on dice. See, the topic cubes has two things, dice and then coloring and cutting. Dice and then coloring and cutting. Coloring and cutting have already diminished, means they have been discarded, they are not seen, but dice is still there. Then missing value in letter series, 0 to 1 questions. And then numbers and set. Numbers and set. Now what do we mean by numbers and set? See, numbers and set, 1 to 2 questions. Like they will tell you 5's cube, or not 5's cube, suppose 5's cube they are telling you is basically 343. Then they will give you options. Okay, the relation between 5's cube is 343. If, then which of the following will be the right answer? 1's cube is basically 8, 2's cube is basically 64, 3's cube is 64, 4's cube is 64, and so on. Now tell me, this is the topic number and sets. So 5 cube is equal to 343. So what must be happening? 5 plus 2, 7's cube 343. So here 5 in that plus 2 is done and 7's cube is 343. So here 1 plus 2, that means 3, and 3's cube is 8. No. So 2 plus 2. My dear students, please understand, whatever number is given over here in that plus 2 and then cube, 7's cube 343. So here 1 plus 2, 3, 3's cube is not 8. 2 plus 2, 4, 4's cube is 64. So it is the right answer. 3 plus 2, 5, 5's cube is 125. No. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 cube is 216. Not this. So therefore, I hope you are able to understand what is the meaning of questions of numbers and sets. So this is my analysis of the questions that have been asked in SSC CHSL exam in last 5 years. All right, everyone, getting it? So on my experience and on the analysis trend, now the question is SSC CHSL 2022, what can we expect? So what can we expect over here? Now that's again very crucial, because now I have provided you the important topics on which you should focus more considering your exam, and what are the topics where you should focus least. You have got an idea. So based on that, what can we expect? So if we talk about analogy, we can expect 4 to 6 questions based on symbolic type, semantic type, and figure based. Classification, again 4 to 5 questions based on semantic, symbolic, and number. Series, missing or wrong or figure based, 4 to 5 questions. Venn diagram, 1 to 2 questions. Coding decoding, 2 to 3 questions. Word building, 1 to 2 questions. Okay. Now in word building, what we consider, see, analogy, it can be symbolic type, semantic type, figure based. Classification, semantic type, symbolic type, number based. Series, it can be symbolic type, okay, the semantic, number, figure, alphabet series, and so on. Then in Venn diagram, it can be logical Venn diagram, and syllogism is also included over here. Coding decoding, it could be analogy, letter, shifting, fictitious. Then language, coding letter of a word, anything like that. So now word building, what we include in word building? Arrange the words in logical order, word formation, meaningful sentences, and matrix. 1 to 2 questions. Then, my dear students, I hope it is very clear. If you add these things, you will get everything. So see, analogy, classification and series, we have discussed that what is the weightage possible in the upcoming exam and the types of questions under them. Next, we have discussed that under Venn diagram, what are the types of questions asked, coding, decoding, and word building under them, what can be asked, we have discussed. Now, if I talk about missing number series, so see the missing number in the matrix and diagram. Matrix, you understand? These kind of questions where some number is missing, you have to find that. Now here, non-verbal reasoning. Now in non-verbal reasoning, we can expect 1 to 2 questions. The total questions are 25 only. That is the reason. Now, from that 1 to 2 questions can be asked from pattern completion, paper cutting and folding, mirror images, or water image, embedded figures, and cubes and dice. In verbal reasoning 1 to 2 questions can be from drawing inference, social intelligence, and emotional intelligence. Okay, it includes the topics like statement and conclusion, statement and course of action. Although they have negligible weightage, but still we have to take them into consideration. I hope the agenda of the session was completed. Okay, my dear students, see, now I have already discussed with all of you the trend of reasoning section as per your exam from last 5 years. I have also discussed that now what can we expect in the coming years. So I have done all the homework, all the background research and analysis of previous 5-year exam trend. What can we expect have we done. But now if you want to prepare with us, here is the Ssc Chsl 2022 SAFALTA batch, which will help you get this success, because here we will provide you 450 plus hours of live classes. We will provide you live foundation classes. All the classes will be live, nothing recorded. We will provide you class PDFs, daily practice paper. We will provide you mock test series, sectional subjects, and previous year papers also we will provide. Not only this course is priced at rupees 2800. This course is priced at rupees 2799, basically 2800. But upfront we are offering you 50% discount. Use the code SSC50 and get flat 50% discount, and you can get it at as low as 1399. Okay, everybody, you can get it at as low as 1399. Fine, everybody. And now you must be thinking that who will be the mentors. So these mentors are world's best faculty members. Forget about India alone. Sanjay Tomar sir, maths hero. My name Ankit Sharma, I will be taking care of the reasoning portion. Juhi ma'am, English. Deepmani sir, science. Milan sir, current affairs. Deven sir, static GK, and so on. These are your faculty members. And yes, believe me guys, they are the best in their respective subjects. We have already started the demo classes. If you want to see the level of and concepts explained, okay, we have already started the demo classes from yesterday itself. From 28th of November, we will be starting the actual classes where we will be starting the syllabus. The validity of the course will be complete 1 year. For any further queries, you can call us on this number, you can WhatsApp at this number, or you can mail at this very ID. All right, everybody. So with this, we come to an end. My dear students, no need to go anywhere, because at 6 p.m. sharp, your favorite Sanjay sir will be here for the mega session on quant mathematics. And then at 7 p.m., it will be Tausif sir with English session. I hope I have made my point. My dear students, believe in your abilities. The day you start believing in yourself, the world will believe on you. The world will be in your hand. Yes, you can do it. Definitely you can do it. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.